Morning's updates. In a major shift, the US has surpassed China to become Malaysia's largest export market. While China remains Malaysia's top trading partner overall, Investment, Trade and Industry Minister Tengku Datuk Sri Zafrul Tengku Abdul Aziz confirms that the US now leads in export volume.
After the ASEAN Unity Drive 2025 flag-off ceremony on Thursday, Zafrul said the government continues to engage with American multinationals and chambers of commerce to strengthen bilateral trade relations and explore new areas of cooperation.
US number one and China number two. But in terms of trade, of course, China is the largest trading partner. And at the same time, we are seeing what are the areas where we can continue to improve on, where it will benefit both Malaysia and US. And of course, this is important because we want to ensure that the spillover to Malaysia and similarly to US, where they are looking at their interests, we are also looking at our interests to ensure that we can continue to improve our trade and investment figures to support the growth in GDP.
Tengku Zafrul also encouraged Malaysian companies to consider investing in the US, especially in commercially viable sectors. He stressed that the government is willing to facilitate Malaysian companies looking to expand into the US market. While there are no current plans for a trade agreement between Malaysia or ASEAN and the US, the government remains open to discussions for potential future agreements. On another note, Tengku Zafrul said ASEAN member states are working on a standard electric vehicle policy to enhance regional sustainability and accelerate the transition to clean energy. Discussions on battery standardization and cross-border EV charging infrastructure have already started among officials and leaders. The timeline and framework for the policy will be finalized and announced at the upcoming ASEAN summit.
We just started the discussion. In that discussion this year, during the PEDs, when we talk to the leaders, we will all come to agreement on the timeline. We now, together with the senior official, discussing the details. We'll be announcing the details during the leader summit.
The initiative aims to address range anxiety among EV drivers and promote the development of a resilient regional supply chain in the automotive sector.